for the day. Welcome to yet another session of Vedic Maths. Today's topic is instant subtraction. What does instant subtraction means? Instant subtraction is based on the concepts of money. Like you have the notes of 100, 2000, or when your children are asked to, subtract, like you have a 100 rupee note and you give to the shop, you need to give a shopkeeper a 50 rupees. What would be the exchange amount that you'll get? And there, coming to the concepts of zero, children have to borrow the numbers and it becomes difficult for them to learn. So today I'll be teaching a very, conceptual and visual technique to do this. The sutra applied here is Nikhilam Dashatam Charamam. What does it mean? All from 9, last from 10. Children follow the same concept, but yet through Vedic maths, giving them concept, it makes them visualize and simplify and just get the answers within fraction of seconds. So let's do this. First, it's 1000 minus 786. So in the school traditional method, you'll be cutting and borrowing and doing everything. But here, we'll just look at the numbers, apply the sutra, the concept of all from 9 and last from 10. So let's subtract the last. Assume the last 0 to be 10 because it's last from 10. So assume the last number 0 to be 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Rest all from 9. So 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. And whenever you have a 1, it's the concept applied is preceding number minus 1. So 1 minus 1 simply gives you 0. So this is your answer. No borrowing, no cutting. Just apply the concept and just follow it on. Let's do another big sum for this. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 7 is 2. I'll add a 0 over here. 9 minus 0 is 9. And preceding number minus 1. So it's a 0. And this becomes your answer. Let's follow this. Now if you see there's a change in this. Like you have a 0 minus 0. So can you do this subtraction? Yes, certainly. So my first number will be 0. My last from 10 concept starts from the second 0. So 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0 and this preceding number minus 0. So my answer is